Hi, if you are a beer lover just like I am, maybe I can get you interested in a beer dispenser from Royal Catering. I have one on my bench here, but let me go through some of the details first. Well, first of all, it works with any 5-liter keg you can find on the market. In the set you get a set of different attachments that will make any type of keg fit into that dispenser. So let me open it up and explain you how it works. Well, basically, so it works like a cooler, bain-marie cooler. So you insert water, you turn it on. Basically what the device does is it chills the water down, and therefore it chills the keg inside. I mentioned it will fit any type of keg inside. Well, it does for the ones that are already with gas, like for instance Heineken. You can get these attachments and you can attach it directly to the dispensing unit. For all the other ones that need to be carbonated, there's a special adapter. So you insert that in the keg. You basically put a CO2 cartridge in it and connect it. That's how it works. What is really great, that in the set you're getting 3 cartridges straight away. So as soon as you get it delivered, you can basically start pouring beer. All right. Also in the set you will have a set of different seals, and everything that can wear out over time is already in the set, so you can change the parts by yourself. Also what you get is a cleaning unit. Well, a cleaning tool, let's call it. So for the pipes and so on, so what you do, you just fill it up with water and you insert it in a pipe and just pump water through the installation. So if it comes to water, inside there is a mark, so I can actually take it out. There's a mark on the back wall on how much water there should be. Please just watch the water level, because if you pour too much, when you insert the keg, it will go over the top, over the edge. So this basically goes in, the keg goes in, and you turn it on. So it basically takes a little while for the keg to chill down. Usually, well, it's a good thing to keep it for a couple of hours so the beer settles, the CO2 goes through the brew. So otherwise it will just froth and foam up when you pour it. Pouring beer, probably everybody knows, you just pull the level down and you pour yourself as much as you need. If you're finished with your beer and you need to drain the tank, there is a drain, let's call it notch latch, that you just simply pour down and you can drain it into a sink or bowl or whatever. There's also a display that displays the current temperature. So let's have a look at the one that I already have working. So there's the actual temperature, 9 degrees, which is perfect for beer. You can set the temperature with these 2 arrows. My keg has been chilling there for about an hour or 2, so I think it is safe to pour. So let's see how it works. So under an angle, it might froth up a little bit, but don't worry about that. Froth will become beer after a while. So you just let it down to set. Once it's separate, you just pour it on top, and what you get is beautiful, frothy pint of beer. All right, so that's how it works. It's a great addition to a man cave. Also great for hotels, for small conference rooms, buffets. Some businessmen, they like to have some glass of wine or glass of beer on the conferences, so that will be perfect. Great for garden parties at home, and great for smaller venues that only serve, let's say, craft beers or self-made beers in a keg. All right, so that's about it. I hope you liked the video. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.